Alright everybody, I wanted to give you a little update on the aquarium. I built this stand thinking that I would have it up and going by now. I just put the video up a week or so ago on building this stand. Wanted to give you a little update on it. I bought this aquarium silicone sealant, and once I re-siliconed this. I took all the old silicone out, re-siliconed it, and when I put my reading glasses on and tried to read this fine print, it says it takes 21 days to cure. I had no idea that it was going to take 21 days, so I did it on September 1st, so September 21st is when I can actually start filling it up, and I'm going to put sand in the bottom. I'm going to get that from a creek, a local creek, some just regular good sand. I didn't want to use like playground sand or whatever. I want like authentic. And then I'm going to try to get some native plants and put it in here too. But yeah, I'll show you a little bit up close here what it looks like. You can see the new silicone down the sides and the bottom. I redid the whole thing. This is what I was talking about on here when I did the video on the stand. I velcroed this. I screwed it at the top and I velcroed this so I can lift this up, and then that's where I'm going to have my air pump and my filters and all that back here. So then this just comes back down, silicone on there, or velcroed on there. But yeah, I was pretty upset when I read that fine print saying that it was going to be 21 days before I could even test it. I'm like, I was hoping to have this all up and going and ready to roll by now, but we'll get there. It's going to be another week or so, but yeah, I'm happy with the way it turned out. And I just want to show you, I got a couple new acquisitions to the Lair. A friend named Dan Reesner sent me this rattlesnake hide. He's from Florida. He said he's an older trapper from Iowa. He emailed me and asked if I'd be interested in a rattlesnake hide for down here in the Lair. He said he's a longtime viewer, supporter of my channel. I said absolutely. So he sent me that. That was very nice of him. Thank you very much, Dan. And also over here, I'll show you what else I got here. I got a really nice raccoon hide from Alan Probst from North American Trapper. He signed it for me. Best wishes, Mark. Best wishes, Alan Probst. Very nice coon. I believe this came from Kansas. He's got a lot of hides. Go to his website. I'll put that in the description of this video. He's got a lot of really nice hides that he's selling. I mean, he's got a lot of really good deals going on. 14 days of fall right now on his baits and lures and snares. Everything. I mean, he's got some really good deals going on right now. I met him out in South Dakota at the NTA, and we had a really good talk, and very nice guy. I mean, he's a really nice guy. We became very quick friends, I would have to say. And so I've placed a few orders. He's got everything there: traps, bait, lure, everything. It's a one-stop shop. If you need anything, get a hold of Alan at NorthAmericanTrapper.com. Like I said, I'll put that in the description. But that's going to go up on the wall. With the rest of the stuff, all my prized possessions up there. It looks really nice. That's a very nice raccoon. Very nice, big, very nice, fully primed. So I got some other things I got to get done here. Some other hides that I need to get tanned. and I'm going to be working on that. I got a few traps left to get ready for this season coming up, so it's getting pretty busy right now, and I'm trying to get ready to start doing some bow hunting here 1st October. If I can get out, I just need to get everything done and get going. So I just wanted to give you a little update on the aquarium stand and why you haven't seen it, the aquarium full. And I'm going to put native fish in there, probably some bluegill, some bullheads, maybe a rock bass, maybe, not even sure, for what, just depends on what I catch. It's got to be small though. So until the next video, like I said, I really appreciate all you watching and all your support. Go check out North American Trapper. You won't be unhappy with the service. The service is great. Everything I order, I mean, it's here within days. I mean, it's quick turnaround. Alan's a great guy, like I said. And until the next video, good luck with everything.